Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to dive into a comprehensive guide on how to create a successful blog from scratch. Whether you're looking to share your passion, build a brand, or generate income, starting a blog can be a rewarding endeavor. Let's get started. Blogging involves creating and maintaining a website where you regularly post content on a specific topic or range of topics. It's a powerful tool for sharing information, expressing your ideas, building a community, and even making money. Successful blogging requires dedication, strategy, and continuous effort, but the rewards can be significant. The first step in creating a blog is choosing your niche. Your niche is the specific topic or theme your blog will focus on. It's important to choose a niche that you're passionate about and knowledgeable in, because this will make it easier to create content and stay motivated. Additionally, your niche should have a target audience that is large enough to sustain your blog, but not so broad that you face overwhelming competition. Research potential niches by looking at popular blogs, forums, and social media groups to see what topics are trending and have engaged communities. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to select a blogging platform. There are several popular platforms to choose from, each with its own advantages. WordPress is the most widely used platform and offers a lot of flexibility and customization options. It's highly recommended for most bloggers, especially those planning to monetize their blog. Other platforms like Blogger and Wix are user-friendly and good for beginners, but they might have limitations in terms of features and scalability. Blogger is a free service by Google that's very simple to use, while Wix offers easy drag-and-drop design features but may require a paid plan for more advanced features. After selecting your platform, you need to choose a domain name and hosting provider. Your domain name should be unique, memorable, and relevant to your niche. It's essentially your blog's address on the internet, so take some time to choose wisely. For hosting, there are many providers like Bluehost, SiteGround, and HostGator that offer affordable plans and good customer support. Bluehost is known for its great customer service and ease of use for beginners. SiteGround offers excellent performance and support. And HostGator is known for its budget-friendly plans. Hosting is crucial because it ensures your blog is accessible on the internet and runs smoothly. With your domain and hosting in place, it's time to set up your blog. Install your chosen blogging platform and choose a theme or template that aligns with your niche and brand. Your theme should be clean, easy to navigate, and mobile-friendly. Most platforms offer free themes, but you might want to invest in a premium theme for more customization options and professional design. Customize your theme by adding your logo, adjusting colors, and setting up your menu and navigation. Next, focus on the design and layout of your blog. Your blog's design should reflect your brand and make it easy for visitors to find the information they're looking for. Use a simple, clean layout with plenty of white space. Make sure your fonts are readable and your color scheme is consistent with your brand. Include essential pages such as About, Contact, and Privacy Policy to provide visitors with important information about you and your blog. The About page should tell your story, explain what your blog is about, and why visitors should care. The Contact page should offer ways for readers to reach you, such as an email form or social media links. Now let's talk about content creation. Quality content is the backbone of a successful blog. Start by brainstorming topics that are relevant to your niche and interesting to your target audience. Use keyword research tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ahrefs, or SEMrush to find topics that have a good search volume but aren't too competitive. Create a content calendar to plan your posts in advance and maintain a consistent posting schedule. Aim to publish new content at least once a week to keep your audience engaged. When writing your blog posts, focus on providing value to your readers. Your content should be informative, engaging, and well-researched. Use a conversational tone and break up your text with headings, subheadings, bullet points, and images to make it easier to read. Include internal and external links to provide additional resources and improve your SEO. For example, link to other relevant posts on your blog or authoritative sources that support your points. SEO, or search engine optimization, is crucial for driving traffic to your blog. Use relevant keywords throughout your posts, but avoid keyword stuffing. Optimize your meta tags, including the title, description, and alt text for images. Make sure your blog is mobile friendly and has a fast loading speed. Regularly update your content to keep it fresh and relevant. Consider using SEO plugins like Yoast SEO if you're using WordPress to help you optimize your content. Promotion is another key aspect of building a successful blog. Share your posts on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Pinterest to reach a wider audience. Join blogging communities and participate in discussions to build relationships with other bloggers and potential readers. Guest posting on other blogs and collaborating with influencers in your niche can also help you gain exposure. Consider using social media scheduling tools like Buffer or Hootsuite to manage your posts and ensure consistent promotion. Email marketing is a powerful tool for building and maintaining a relationship with your audience. Encourage visitors to subscribe to your email list by offering a freebie, such as an ebook, checklist, or exclusive content. Use email marketing services like MailChimp or ConvertKit to manage your list and send regular newsletters with updates, new posts, and personalized content to keep your subscribers engaged and coming back to your blog. Monetization is the final piece of the puzzle. There are several ways to make money from your blog, including display ads, sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, and selling your own products or services. Choose monetization methods that align with your blog's niche and audience. For display ads, you can use services like Google AdSense. For affiliate marketing, join affiliate programs related to your niche and promote products you believe in. Selling your own products or services, such as ebooks, courses, or consulting, can be highly profitable. Tracking your performance is essential for continuous improvement. Use tools like Google Analytics to monitor your traffic, bounce rate, and other important metrics. Pay attention to which posts are performing well and which ones aren't, and adjust your content strategy accordingly. Regularly reviewing your performance data will help you understand your audience better and make informed decisions about your blog's direction. Lastly, stay motivated and be patient. Blogging is a long-term commitment, and success doesn't happen overnight. Set realistic goals and celebrate small milestones along the way. Connect with other bloggers, seek feedback, and keep learning to improve your skills. Stay true to your passion and enjoy the process of creating and sharing content. Remember that consistency is key. Regularly publishing high-quality content and engaging with your audience will pay off over time. There you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to create a successful blog from scratch. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to building a blog that attracts and engages readers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on blogging and digital marketing. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.